I don't wanna go up solo loco. Don't you wanna come with me like Yoko? We can go lose ourselves in Tokyo. No one's gonna know we'll move like
Don't waste
Loco.
my time.
Welcome to Goa, amid palm trees and ocean breeze. IndoBevs has built a world-class bottling facility that blends local heritage with modern innovation. Every bottle's journey begins here, crafted with passion and precision. From RTDs to coolers to refined spirits, IndoBevs offers a diverse range of beverages.
This is where it all comes together. Our flagship plant in Goa is not just big in size, but big in ambition, efficiency, and output.
A new day at IndoBevs begins with employees arriving with focus and dedication. Stepping into their factory coveralls, ready to bring dedication and detail to every task. One by one, they head to their stations where the heartbeat of production comes to life. Before anyone steps onto the bottling floor, they follow strict sanitation steps.
Our team is our greatest strength. We nurture talent across backgrounds. We believe in engagement, growth, and belonging for every individual at IndoBevs.
Now let's talk about the brow coat manufacturing process. When the bulk liquid arrives, our quality team jumps into action. Samples are drawn, checked, and cleared by the quality team before they hit our tanks. Now, things get stirred, literally. Our blending tanks, equipped with imported Italian mixers and sensors, ensures everything is just right. No guessing, just automation and accuracy. Cool tanks keep the blend just chill enough to let the magic happen. Precise temperature control ensures the ingredients work at their own sweet and scientifically optimal pace. The heart of our facility is the bottling hall. On our first line, brow coat is on the move. Sanitized bottles zoom along, each one filled to the brim with perfectly chilled blend. As soon as the liquid fills the bottle, a ring pull cap is crimped on tight to lock in the freshness. The bottles then go through a warm water tunnel to bring up their temperature before they get packed. Following this, the labels are pasted. At the end of the line, a last quality check inspection happens before we close the cartons. Then, it is taped, wrapped, and boom, they are ready to party at a shelf near you.
Bro family is specially made for the young hearts. We came with the idea like bro code will be enjoyed by the young generation. Refreshing drink with alcohol 15%.
Moving on to the can line process. On our canning line, everything moves at top speed. Rows of shiny cans get a quick rinse and then line up under the filler. In seconds, each bottle is filled with bulk liquid. Foam swirls up to push out any air, and immediately a lid is sealed on.
We blend to world-class expectation.
Let's move to the spirits line, where variety never stops flowing. If it's bottled here, it's built to impress. The bottles are rinsed with demineralized water, and then the spirits get filled. Post this, we move on to capping. The labels are pasted on the bottles. At the end, the neck tags are put on each bottle. This is followed by a final level of quality check and then packed in cartons, ready to be shipped.
Every stage, from bottle loading on conveyors to palletization, is monitored. We minimize waste, maximize efficiency, and maintain consistency in every single shift.
Time to meet our quality check superstars and the lab. Behind the scenes, our lab is buzzing, literally. With GCFID, UV spectrophotometers, and expert eyes checking everything from alcohol levels to clarity. Nothing leaves our doors unchecked. Behind the scenes, our R&D and quality control lab is the guardian of excellence. It's here that we double-check and fine-tune everything, ensuring every bottle meets perfection through precision, passion, and quality control.
Sensory evaluation is also very crucial for us. We ensure that every product meets its intended profile in terms of flavor, taste, and aroma.
Now, on to the finished goods and dispatch section. Now, once the bottles are packed and sealed, they await for accuracy. Then they are wheeled away into the finished goods warehouse, from which they are loaded onto trucks and then onto dispatch, where the freshest batches hit the road, ready to pour happiness wherever they go.
Ours is an excise regulated industry. Every single liter of wine and spirit that enters our premises is tracked, documented, bottled, labeled and dispatched to meet the compliances under the supervision of excise personnel who are present in our factory for the whole process.
And finally, time to check out our utilities infrastructure, the backbone of the factory. From our in-house transformers to DG backups, uninterrupted power means uninterrupted production. We've got the hydrants, alarms and drills to prove it. Every great drink begins with great water. Our water treatment plant purifies incoming water through sand and carbon filters, reverse osmosis and UV sterilization. Hot water and steam are the unsung heroes of beverage production. Our boiler plant generates steam to sterilize equipment and provides hot water to clean tanks and bottles. By keeping cleaning and sterilization consistent and thorough, we start every production run on a clean slate. Our Goa factory is zero liquid discharge compliant, ensuring that no untreated water leaves our site. Responsibility doesn't end with production. After blending and bottling, all wastewater is treated in our effluent treatment plant. 90% of the water from our effluent treatment plant is safely treated and diverted to IndoBevs adopted forest lands for reforestation. Over 2 acres of degraded land has been revived with native tree plantations through our reforestation efforts.
From a single label to a national portfolio, our journey is driven by vision, consumer insight, and the desire to lead India's Alcobev narrative.
At IndoBevs, success is a shared celebration. This moment captures what drives us: teamwork, pride, and the joy of achieving quality together. IndoBevs, spreading happiness, one drink at a time.